Alright guys, today is paint day for the overfenders. So I actually had the right rear wheel hub bearing start to go out on me during the drive home from getting the bodywork done. So now I'm actually just gonna, instead of taking the whole car to my paint guy, I'm going to pull the fenders and just take those up there. I'll take you in a little close here so you can see the cuts. The front wasn't sealed or painted, which I'm not really happy about, but it is what it is. The rear was sealed and painted, and we didn't take a whole lot out of it, but we can always take more if I need to, once I go bags or something like that. But I haven't had any rubbing issues driving wise out of that. We can always take more out. And then if you're wanting to see the poke of the car to the fenders, you can kind of see that. Let's move this back over here. Alright, so you saw me take this side off, so I'm going to go ahead and take the other side off. Alright guys, so we got all the fenders off, as you can see. Everything's off of it. You can see that poke. So now you can see the cuts that were made. None of it was sealed on the front. I don't believe so. So I'll have to get in here and paint. But that's how she looks without the overfenders right now. You can see how we have the bumpers pulled out to meet the fenders. I really need to put some type of gasketing in between these to keep that from happening, because that's just going to destroy my paint under the car. But yeah, it's not really a pretty job, but it works. And now we got the van all loaded up with the panels. Now I'm going to drop them off to my paint guy, and we'll see them in maybe a week, 2 weeks. We'll see. But thanks for keeping up with the progress of the car. I appreciate everyone who's interested in this and seeing how it comes out. It's not going to be perfect. The fitment of this kit is not perfect, and it would cost me way too much money with my paint guy and my paint and body guy to get the fitment of this perfect. So as it was fitted to the car right now, I'm okay with. It's not terrible. So we're probably just gonna rock with that, because this has always been kind of a budget thing. And then whenever I have more money to throw at it, I can always go and have the kit fit perfectly. So again, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see y'all on the next one.